Hello guys, welcome to 5th generation hobby shop. Pagre-review na naman tayo ng isang unit. This is the WE 5.1 Type K with the full auto. So this is semi and full automatic gas blowback airsoft pistol. Okay, and shout out po kay Sir Joey. Okay sir, welcome to 5th generation hobby shop. So itong unit na to may kasama na po siyang gas. So this is the Pop Dino number 14 power up green gas. And also comes with the airsoft BB, so yung kanyang bala. This is 0.23 grams 4,000 shots. So pwede po kayong mag-request kung anong bala yung kasama. Pero kung wala pong request, naka-default po siya into 0.23. Pero kung gusto niyo pong mag-request, pwede siyang 0.25, pwedeng 0.28 hanggang 0.30. Okay, yung kasamang bala. Okay, so this is the box. Ayan, full auto. 5.1 Type K WE brand. This is made in Taiwan airsoft gun. So ito po yung merong full automatic. Okay, owner's manual and the unit. Okay, again this is the 5.1 2011 high kappa Type K. Ayan, 2011 markings, WE. .1 Type K. So, ang ganda ng serrations niya. Napaka-aggressive. And then, yung markings. Yung markings. And then, yung kanyang sight dito ay adjustable. Okay, adjustable siya. Elevation or the up and down, and the windage or the left and right. So na-adjust po yung kanyang rear sight. So hindi katulad nung sa ibang pistol na naka-fix katulad nung 1911. Okay, then ito yung sight niya sa front fix. And then meron na rin siyang thread, yan, para sa mga accessories katulad ng tracer units, suppressor at iba pang accessories na po pwede dito. And then, Picatinny rail para sa accessories katulad ng flashlight, laser, ayan. Ang bigat. 2011 high kappa 5.1K. So, this is 30 rounder. 30 rounder capacity. No, 30 rounder capacity. Lagyan lang natin ng gas. Okay, so lagyan naman natin ng BBs. Susukatin natin ngayon kung ilang EPS po ito. Okay, shout out kay Sir Joey. Ayan. So, this is the 2011 5.1K, Type K. So, ito yung kanyang switch naman sa fire mode niya. So, kung gusto nyo full auto, baba nyo yung switch. Kung gusto nyo naman semi-auto, angat nyo lang yung switch. Yan. Okay. Ang ganda ng, ano niya, ng serrations sa harap. Yan. So, ito naman yung manual safety. Okay, working. And the beaver tail safety also working. Extended beaver tail grip. Beaver tail safety. Tapos naka semi magwell na siya. Ayan, naka semi magwell. Okay. So, yung markings WE sa grip. And this one is just a sticker. So, ayan po, 5.1 Type K airsoft gas blowback pistol, semi and full automatic. So, ngayon tetestingin natin kung ilang EPS. So, semi-automatic. Okay, chronograph testing. 5.1 Type K semi and full automatic. Testing. Firing. 377.3 377.2. Malakas ha. Okay. Bearing. 374.9. Wala. 348.3. Okay. So, yun yung kanyang EPS. And then, open chamber. Dahil wala na siyang bala, release the magazine. And then, bali, tulak mo lang siya ng konti. Tapos, baba mo yung slide stop. Tsaka mo siya bibitawan or i-release. Okay? So, ngayon, load pa tayo para i-test natin yung full automatic. Okay, testing. 2011 high kappa 5.1 type K, semi and full automatic by WE. So, bali yung semi-automatic muna. Firing. Okay, semi-automatic. So, semi-automatic, pak. Pag full automatic, rat, no? Semi-automatic muna to. And then, full automatic, baba mo lang yung switch. Rapid firing. Yan. Okay, yun yung rapid firing. So, lagyan pa natin ulit ng bala para masatisfied tayo. So, bali yan, 8 shots. Sa isang kalabit, ubusin niya yan. Yung 8 bala na yan. Okay, sa full automatic. Okay, 8 shots. Load. Okay, full automatic. Firing. Yun ang full automatic. Okay. So, wala na ulit siyang bala. Hammer down. Tapos balik lang natin sa semi. Okay. So, again, this is the 2011 5.1 Type K with semi and full automatic airsoft gas blowback pistol by WA made in Taiwan. Okay? So, thank you, Sir Joey. Kung may question, message lang sa aming Facebook page, 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Thank you and have a nice day.